Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify internship credit with your advisor, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify internship credit with your advisor, begin by reviewing your internship program guidelines. Make sure you understand the requirements for earning credit. Gather all necessary documentation related to your internship. This may include your offer letter, job description, and any evaluations. Next, schedule a meeting with your academic advisor. Choose a time that allows for a focused discussion. Prepare a list of questions to maximize your meeting's effectiveness. During the meeting, explain your internship role and how it aligns with your academic goals. Present the documentation you collected to provide context. Ask your advisor about the specific credit requirements for your internship. Inquire about the process for official approval of your internship for credit. Take notes during the meeting for future reference. If your advisor needs additional information, provide it promptly. After the meeting, follow up on any action items discussed. Submit any necessary forms or paperwork as instructed by your advisor. Keep track of deadlines to ensure timely processing of your credit application. Finally, confirm that your internship credit has been recorded on your academic transcript. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.